Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, and I'm just going to do a little spotlight for you today on one of our new products, the back designed glass cabs. So you may be familiar with some of the glass cabs that we have, the check cabs that are going to be the backlit that have kind of that fun coloration to them, and then even the ones that are entirely a different glass color. But we're starting to get in and have fun experimenting with a lot of different glass cabs. The cool thing about the glass cabs is that it's a clear glass cab that you're allowed to get a ton of detail with basically putting pictures and images behind the cabs. We have them in a variety of sizes from 12 millimeter to 25 to some ovals, and you can really see the detail and the luminescence that really that raised arch and that raised dome gives. And we're selling some of them in mixed pack and variety packs of 5. We're selling some individually depending on kind of what they are, from paisleys to clocks to cats to soccer balls to worlds to my favorite, the little peacock ones here, and all different sizes and shapes. And one of the things that I'm going to do is take them and even just glue 2 of them on to make myself a pair of earrings to wear those as well. But I'm really excited to introduce to you this whole new line of Potomac products that we look for new things that we think are fun, exciting, that we think you'd like the look of as well. And we're gonna have fun using some of these cabs, so I thought you would give you a little heads up on these glass cabs with the detail that's behind them. The amount of variety of these is kind of insane and overwhelming, but hopefully you get a chance to check some of them out, again in a variety of sizes. We'll put links below this video near that subscribe and like button to purchase from us online at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu if you're joining us from the EU and want to purchase that way. And check out this fun new collection. I know they were fun to photograph, they're fun to bag, and all of them are so different, so unique, and really have a great variety to the design, the look, and the sizes of them as well. So check out those category links that are in that description and have fun kind of even just exploring. Even if you're not sure what you're going to use for them, they're fun pictures to look at. We had fun ordering them, picking them out, and designing with them as well. So if you get a chance, check out all of these fun new glass cabs here at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu. Thanks so much for watching the little product spotlight. Hopefully it entices you to, again, check them out on the website because they are fun to look at. Even if you're not interested in using them in your designs, it's a fun new product with a lot of variety, a lot of color, a lot of detail that we're excited to bring to you.